End of day one here, and really we don't have a ton done, but we did find the main line, and we found got the electrician here, got all electricity running, got the low voltage ready to go, pump start relays ready to rock. Yeah, so tomorrow we start digging and marking, and it'll be fun. out here visiting the field. Got about 6 minutes or so. Let's see here. You can see this. About 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes before this zone is supposed to be done. This is our second test. First test didn't go so great. Last night it was supposed to start at 9 o'clock, and it did. And came out here to check about 9:10, 9:15ish, and pump was running, but there was no water. So checked for mainline leak, figured that's the only thing that's going on, and couldn't find anything. But it's pretty dark, so then figured out in the morning. So I come in the morning, do a bunch of stuff, and the only determination I could figure out is gotta be the pump. It wasn't pressurizing. Pump was running, we weren't getting any good pressure. And called my supplier, and they had one in stock, so I zoomed down there and grabbed one, came back, replaced it. Problem solved. I mean, the pump had like 3 hours on it, so not exactly sure what to say about that, but it happens. So here we got some of the scars from the Vibe plow. Not a big deal. They will heal up with some water, and just got nailed, and I'm a good 50 feet away here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 19 yards-ish. Everything's well, Falcons, Rainbird Falcons, nozzles from 8 to 12 gallon a minute. And then we got I'll probably flip the switch here in a minute and show you guys what's up. Got about 3 minutes before it's done, but got a special high-speed zone, I've said before, and their Rainbird discontinued the high-speed Falcons, which is a bummer because I like to keep with Rainbird, and suggested the Hunter I-25 high speeds, and they're great, but man, they're just not high speed. But that's Hunter, if you ask me. So we'll watch this zone here in a couple minutes. It should shut off, and pump should shut off, and we'll just double check a few things before we run the schedule again. Field, you can tell where they've been watering before we put irrigation in, and where needs definitely some water. So this is, so far has had 3 15-minute cycles today, and it's at least wet to the touch. So all right, we'll catch up with you in just a minute. About 30 seconds away or so, if you can see there. 29 seconds away from this being done. It's been running for, I think it's been running for about 8 hours right now straight. So let's hope it shuts off and doesn't blow anything up, right? I'm going to show you guys the coach's switch here. So we have a locked enclosure, padlock on it, and it's just a quick 3-pole single throw switch here. And when we flip this guy, boom, there's our 5 Hunter high speeds, Hunter I-25s at 10 gallon a minute. Run that during the game, Run that during anytime you want to get that agrolime wet. It's only doing the agrolime out there, so it's pretty awesome. You know, middle of the game, and you can flip the switch off and give her a second and she's done. So pretty cool feature. I mean, I've seen it a couple times, but never seen it in practice. Just decided to look up some stuff. Got it figured out, I guess. So